Today I'm gonna show you how to install an indoor camera 4K. The brand is Eufy, and it's a 4K camera, works with Apple, and records 360 degrees, records in infrared and color, night vision, human and pet tracking, quick focus, enable 360 smooth view, and two-way audio. You can order from Amazon. Right there. It's $46.99, and it's coming home, a package like that. Eufy camera, Wi-Fi connection, works with Google Play or Apple Store, Alexa. So 24/7 live view, human and pet tracking, night vision, quick focus tab. So here in the box, here is the camera, and here is the cable connection. Here is the plug-in power supply, and then you have, if you want to connect it on the wall, screws, and this is marker. You put it so you drill the holes. So let's begin with the camera. Open the camera by itself. It is right here. Brand new camera. It's got a plastic to cover the camera, the lens. Don't peel it off yet. Here is the cables. Which works with the camera, and they are long enough for reach the camera. You can put it stand on a place you want, and this is the power supply. And to starting the system, download the application. I have Apple, so I scan the barcode and give me the indoor camera user guide. Here is the instruction. Okay, you have to download the application first, which I downloaded with quicker scan. You have to choose camera field or location on the wall, on the ceiling. Use the guidance, the place you want to put it. For me, I already have the software installed. It's right here. And I go to plus, add the device, and look for the camera, garage camera, smart display, wired camera. Okay, and indoor cam E30. Click on it, and you have to connect it to the router. I don't have home base, so let me plug it. Okay, and then I plug into the power supply. Okay. And click connect to router. I already made the connection. Click next. Use the phone camera to scan the QR located in the back of the device. This one.
Press the sync button until you hear the beep.
Okay. Press the sync button. This one. It's so deep. You hear the beep. Here, a beep, click, connecting the camera. Okay, look for your Wi-Fi. I don't see it here. Router. click author. If you don't see yours, click author. Network name, English. Okay, you put your Wi-Fi network name and then select WPA and the password and then click confirm.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait. Failed to connect to the network. Please try again.
It fell. Make sure you have entered the correct password. Make sure your router is working properly. Make sure the camera is power on. I made a typo mistake. The correct password. Okay. Retry and change the password. Okay,
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network.
let's try again.
Setup was successful.
The camera was connected successfully. It's moving right now 360 degrees. And from here, your camera was added successfully. Next, select the place you're gonna put the camera, in bedroom, kitchen, wherever. For me, I'm gonna choose.
Uite acolo, hei, uite acolo în colțul ăla.
Yeah. Camera extension and notification, most efficient. Get notification without delay, only text included. Full effect. Get text notification first, then a thumbnail include if available. Another option, include thumbnail. Get full notification, include text and thumbnail.
Codiță taci din gură. Codiță!
I think choose the third one, include thumbnail is the best one. Click next. Microphone. Enable audio recording when you recording video. Next. You have to insert a micro SD card. So it's gonna be recorded on a SD card, not on a cloud. Because you have to pay for the cloud. For micro SD card, you don't have to they say try cloud backup for free. Yeah, they try to hook in into it, so skip this one. You don't need, click skip. Indoor camera, latest firmware, it's available. Fix the existing bug and improve. Click update now, and it's starting to update. The current version is 1.1.8.0. So don't disconnect the camera until all the current version is installed. That's gonna take a while. Update successful. Click done. And where do you want to mount your camera?
In the bedroom.
Where do you want to mount the camera? You have an option on the shelves, on the wall, on the ceiling. Okay, then click skip. You choose your place where you want to put it. So now the camera is working. And all tracking, allow the camera to automatically follow the movement of human and pets. Yes. Then click next. Calibration. It's not gonna be in this place anyway. So you can use the arrow up and down, left and right, click set, and then next. I have two cameras, one for the pool, one on the living room. Click on the living room, and you have I didn't remove the film yet, that's why it's blurry, but I'm not installing, it's not installed yet. So that's all you have to do. Then you can go to settings, and click on motion detection, human, pets, selected, leave the sensitivity medium, all tracking, allows the camera automatically follow the movement. Okay. And you go back, pan and tilt settings, you select all tracking on. You can select basic settings, screen gesture control, pan and tilt, calibration, it's on. Okay, next. Don't want to go back. Light settings, enable light, choose motion activated light. If you don't like it, you can put manual. Light schedule, sunset to sunrise. You have to allow once your location and light schedule. Okay, I got location. Brightness 80%, put it to 100%. Click save on location, okay? Okay, next, go back, light with settings, sound detection. Yeah, you can put sound. All sound, if you have a baby, you can set crying baby. I'm suggesting to select the round lock to camera to find what's going on. The last one is angle settings. Privacy angles. The camera will turn on to this angle when privacy mode is on, unless it's connected to home link. Privacy angle, you have to set it up using arrows up and down, left and right, and set. I'm gonna do it after I'm gonna install the camera. Don't want my phone. So that's all about. So General. Now that's information. Restart device. After you do all this selection, restart device. Are you sure you want to restart your camera? Cancel or restart? I will cancel it and see what was going on later. That's all. Enjoy your camera, and don't forget to, you're gonna have a sign like that, EUFY, and where you have your camera on your phone, and then you can set up with Alexa or Google to start it, or you can start it from the phone. That's all, folks. Enjoy the camera, and write me in the comments if you have questions, if it was helpful, and I will help you. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and share and give a like.